1 cup of oil in it. 1 big size sliced onion. Sauté onions until it's golden. Two blend tomatoes. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. 1/2 tablespoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 'Give it a good mix and add potatoes in it. Like, share, subscribe. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic and green chili paste. Now add 3 tablespoons of chicken powder. Mix it well. Now add mongary in it. Add some water and let it cook on medium flame. Sprinkle coriander on it and dish it out.